Royal Brew Nitro Cold Brew Coffee Maker home. Enjoy the great taste of Nitro Brew coffee without paying at a coffee shop each time. Enjoy unlimited homebrews. By adding nitrogen, your cold brew coffee will taste better and stay fresh much longer. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Great taste. Modeled after stout beer dispensing systems, featuring a special gas blend and stout beer faucet that work together to create a super smooth, rich body with a foamy top similar to your favorite draft beer. Enjoy a frothy iced coffee without the need for creamer, dairy, or sweeteners. Number 2. The original and number 1 model. The only model that includes a tap plug plus a carry bag. Beware of copycats. We're the original model. Check our videos and great reviews. Attractive, durable matte flat black finished, food-grade stainless steel 64 ounces keg. Coffee spear with unique pressure relief valve. Upgraded stout creamer faucet. Nitrogen cartridge holder casing, faucet, tower combo wrench, tap plug to stop drips. Custom carry bag, cleaning brushes, plastic hose. Number 3. Compatibility sold separately. Use either 2N cartridges or 1N20 cartridge. For best results, use 2XICO nitrogen cartridges or any nitrogen cartridge. Also works with N2O. The Royal Brew is compatible with most 2 grams nitrogen capsules. Important, to allow gas to form. Only fill the keg up 40 ounces maximum with coffee. Number 4. Start your day with fresh cold brew nitro coffee at home. No more waiting in line at the coffee shop. Number 5. Single-serve Nitro Coffee Maker. Designed for your countertop or on-the-go Nitro coffee, high-end, food-grade stainless steel will look great in any kitchen. Number 6. Enjoy Nitro Coffee at home. Makes for a great gift. Give the gift of unlimited Nitro coffee with this beautiful Nitro coffee keg. Number 7. Nitro Coffee on the go. Easily fits in a backpack for on-the-go Nitro coffee. Great for picnics, BBQs, and more. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.